Chapter 11. A short history of astrology from the birth of Earth to you. Astrology didn't start with people. It started with the sky. Before books, before fire, before humans, there were stars. And they moved in patterns. Even before anyone was alive to name it, astrology already existed, because astrology is just this: Earth turning, sun rising, moon shifting, planets dancing. It's the story of time, told through the sky. Let's explore how it went from space to your birth chart. The very beginning, before humans. The planets formed from stardust after the Big Bang. Each one found its orbit, circling the sun with perfect rhythm. The Earth began to spin. The moon began to pull the tides. Day became night, seasons formed, time was born. The sky became a clock, even before humans existed. Early humans, sky as a calendar. Early humans watched the skies for survival. They noticed when the sun got lower, the cold came. They followed the moon to track time and predict animal behavior. They lined up stones and built sacred sites with the stars in mind, like Stonehenge. They didn't call it astrology yet, but they were using it. The Sumerians, 4000–2000 BCE, the first astrologers. In Mesopotamia, modern Iraq, the Sumerians wrote down the sky. They recorded eclipses, moon phases, and star risings in clay tablets. They saw the sky as the voice of the gods. They mapped out the movements of the sun, moon, and planets. The roots of astrology were planted in Sumerian temples. The Babylonians, the first Zodiac. The Babylonians created the 12-sign zodiac wheel we still use today. They linked sky movements to events on Earth, floods, births, battles. They used astrology for timing royal events and predicting seasons. They named 5 visible planets and tracked them with care. Astrology became a real system of signs, symbols, and meaning. Egypt, sacred sky magic. Egyptians linked stars to gods like Ra, sun, and Thoth, moon and wisdom. They created decans, star groups used for timekeeping and healing. Temples and pyramids were aligned to the stars and solstices. The sky was not just science, it was sacred and spiritual. Greece, astrology for the soul. Greek thinkers like Ptolemy turned astrology into a full study. They added houses, aspects, elements, and rulerships. Astrology became not just about kings, but about you, your feelings, your future, your growth. They believed the chart showed the blueprint of the soul. The Islamic Golden Age, protectors of the stars. Muslim scholars translated ancient texts and improved astrology's math and accuracy. They created observatories and gave many stars the names we still use today. Astrology was used in medicine, timekeeping, and dream interpretation. They kept the wisdom safe when Europe forgot it. Medieval Europe, astrology for kings and commoners. Astrology was used to pick marriage dates, heal sickness, and guide nations. Even when some banned it, others used it in secret. Doctors and scientists used astrology with herbs and diagnosis. It stayed alive through whispers, scrolls, and sky maps. Today, astrology for everyone. In the 1900s, astrology appeared in newspapers, books, and horoscopes. In the 2000s, the internet made it global, fast, and free. Now anyone can pull up their chart, read their big 3, and explore their soul map. Astrology is no longer just for kings or priests. It's for you. Did you know? The Earth has always had astrology, even when no one was here to read it. When you read your chart, you're connecting to the oldest story ever told.